Hello everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video I am going to share English speaking practice for beginners. Okay, so without any delay, let's begin. Hey, what is your name? What is your name? My name is Radha. My name is Radha. Where were you? Where were you? I was in the office. I was in the office. What's your job? What's your job? I am a bank manager. I am a bank manager. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I live in India. What do you do? What do you do? I am an accountant. I am an accountant. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. Can you play cricket? Can you play cricket? No, I play tennis. No, I play tennis. Have you done this before? Have you done this before? No, it's the first time. No, it's the first time. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? This is John's bag. This is John's bag. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? I am coming from college. I am coming from college. Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? This is my pen. This is my pen. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? This is my car. This is my car. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Because I am happy. When will you come? When will you come? I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Because I didn't get the job. Because I didn't get the job. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? I have lost my mobile. I have lost my mobile. Why are you searching? Why are you sitting? Because he insulted me. Because he insulted me. Whom do you want to see? Whom do you want to see? I want to meet the manager. I want to meet the manager. Who is your friend? Who is your friend? Radha is my friend. Radha is my friend. When will you arrive? When will you arrive? I will arrive the afternoon. I will arrive the afternoon. When will you go there? When will you go there? I will go next month. I will go next month. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. When will you go? When will you go? I will go by Sunday. I will go by Sunday. What's going on here? What's going on here? Nothing special. Nothing special. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No, I can't. No, I can't. Do you like me? Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Yes, I like you. What do you do, Kamal? What do you do, Kamal? I am a student. I am a student. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading works. I am reading works. Are you there? Are you there? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. Whose watch is this? Whose watch is this? This is my watch. This is my watch. Won't you go? Won't you go? No, I will not go. No, I will not go. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. Won't you come? Won't you come? No, I will not come. No, I will not come. What happened, Radha? What happened, Radha? Nothing, teacher. Nothing, teacher. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I've come here to meet my cousin. I've come here to meet my cousin. Where do you study? Where do you study? I'm a student at Delhi University. I'm a student at Delhi University. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is hot noodles. My favorite food is hot noodles. What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? Today I am going shopping. Today I am going shopping. Are you sick? Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Yes, I am sick. How is she? How is she? She is beautiful. She is beautiful. What time is it? What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. What's the temperature? What's the temperature? Is it 30 degrees Celsius now? Is it 30 degrees Celsius now? What does she look like? What does she look like? She is tall and slim. She is tall and slim. Could I see the room? Could I see the room? Your room number 11. Your room number is 11. Do you have any wax? Do you have any wax? Yes, there's a suitcase. Yes, there's a suitcase. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? It's $100. It's $100. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Some more tell you sentences. First sentence, मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. I will go there. I will go there. किसी कीमत पर. किसी कीमत पर. At any cost. At any cost. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. यह संभव है. यह संभव है. It is possible. It is possible. पागल हो क्या? पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? पागल हो क्या? यह तुम्हारे लिए है. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. तुम्हें कैसे पता? तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? शांत हो जाओ. शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. शांत हो जाओ. मैं वादा करता हूँ. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. मैं वादा करता हूँ. तो गाइस ये थे हमारे सम डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर सच में वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को एक लाइक ज़रूर कर दें. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.